Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to deposit paper money on Cash App. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Cash App lets you deposit paper money at a participating retail stores, but you can just feed it into an ATM. So to do it, simply first head over and open up your browser and on the search bar type in Cash App and then simply tap on the first link that is shown to you. And once you're inside, be sure to be logged into your account. Then all you gotta do is tap the bank icon in the bottom corner or simply tap on money on the home screen and then simply select paper money. The Cash App will show a map of nearby deposit locations, usually CVS, Walmart, Walgreens, 7-Eleven, Dollar General, Rite Aid, etc. The next is to get a barcode. Simply select the store where you will deposit, tap show barcode, and this barcode is unique to your account. It's only valid for a short time, usually 30 minutes, but you can generate a new one anytime. The next is to go to the store and heading over the cash, bringing your cash and barcode to the cashier. Tell them you want to deposit money to your Cash App and they'll scan your barcode, take your cash and confirm the amount. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.